Oh my god, you guys, I just got the best news of life. My computer is ready for pickup at the phone store. Guys, I was like, I was not having such a great day. You know, sometimes you just feel sad for no reason. And like literally like about 2 hours ago, I'm like, Lord, I feel like the only thing that will make my day a little bit more lively is if my computer ready. And we just get a text from Apple to my computer ready. So I'm going to jump in the car. I'm not even wait. I'm gonna pick it up right now, today, right now. So I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Anyways, let's go. Guys, forgive my excitement in this video, but I have a short story slash testimony to tell you guys about my excitement with getting this laptop. One time I had a little boyfriend. He bought a HP Spectre X360 laptop. My laptop broke and I needed a laptop to edit my YouTube videos, and can you believe that this quote-unquote boyfriend, who is supposed to be supportive and for me, did not want to lend me his laptop? Like, I've asked him so many times and he didn't. But this is how God works. It's just to show you that, listen, God will elevate you even past the people who behave like they're more than you. So this is just a quick testimony for anybody. Don't worry yourself, your time will come.
You have 60 days now to add a warranty. You don't even have to come back here if you talk to your preference. You can do online, or you can give us a call to 800 My Apple, so we can direct you to the people there on the phone. They'll be able to look up your order and let you know the options that you have to get the warranty on.
Alright, great.
Right?
And can I use the card, the gift card?
You did a pickup, the gift card was sent to your email.
Right,
You can use it
yes, for
you can use it in the same transaction.
Okay, thank you so very much. Alright, you too, bye. Alright, you guys, I got my MacBook in hand. I'll show you guys what it's like later. Bye. So let's unbox it. So this is how the box looks. It's wrapped in a plastic. So let's do the unboxing. So let's put the tab. That's so smooth, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for like 2 weeks because I did a custom order. I didn't want to get the base model, so I upgraded it a bit. There's my name. So I upgraded it a bit, and I got I hope you guys can see, but it's the new MacBook Air M2. So it's 13.6 inches, 8-core GPU, 16 gigabytes of RAM. So I upgraded the RAM. The base model comes with 8, so 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, which is also an upgrade because the base model came with 256. I don't know where Apple going with that, but anyways, so it's the MacBook Air. So let's see. Alright, so let's put that aside. Alright guys, so here we go. I'm a MacBook fan. I'm an Apple fan actually. I was thinking of getting the Dell XPS 13 because I had a HP X360 and I love the fact that I could, you know, turn it into like tablet mode and all of that. But I'm a big Apple fan. I have an Apple Watch, AirPods Pro, I have an iPhone, so it was only right for me to get a MacBook. So yeah, so this is it right here. And then in the box we have the cable. So I'm not a tech girl, I'm just showing you guys what's in there. So I don't even know the proper names and all of that. And then we got this pamphlet thing. I think it has the Mac, it should have stickers in it. Let's see. No? Yes. So it has the stickers in the same Starlight color of the MacBook. I hope you guys can see that well. It looks a bit too bright. Let me turn that down. Okay, that's better. So you guys can see the color properly. Alright, so that's that. And then I have the charger, which I upgraded the charger to get the two USB-C plugs. And this is very small and neat. This charger is super small and neat. I love this. Let's open this. So that's what the charger, the adapter looks like. Really sleek, you guys. Apple, I don't know. I just have a thing for Apple. Oh, this probably kind of match my glasses case. See my glasses case? Yeah. But anyways, so let's open these things. This is the USB cable. And I think it has this magnetic thing in it. This MagSafe thing, so you don't plug it in. You just, it's like a magnetic connection to the computer. So plug this in here. And that's your cable. Very simple for a computer. Normally you have these big cables. Let me show you, because I had to borrow a computer from the library in the meantime to do my assignments. So normally computer cords would be this. Guys, look at the difference. It would be like this. This is for an Acer laptop, and look at the Apple one. It's like almost as small as a phone charger. So you don't need all of these things. You just, what a big difference. So anyways, so that's the charger. These are the pamphlets and stuff that comes with it. And then time to open the actual MacBook, so ooh, listen, Apple's way of doing stuff is so sleek, and oh, it's everything. Look at that. So here is the MacBook. I have two different lighting going on here. If you guys can tell, I have like a yellow light that's coming from my lamp, and then my ring light is showing like a white light, so you guys can kind of see it from the different angles and stuff. So this is it. So it has these ports right here, USB. This is for the MagSafe charger, and around here, and then around here it just has a earphone jack. So that's the MacBook. So let's open it. Ooh, let me use here. Ooh, it turns on immediately, you guys. Oh god, the ring light is showing in it, but it turns on immediately, and it's loading up. Oh my god, oh, that's so pretty. Look at that screen. Nice, right? So I bought some accessories to go with it. Let me show you guys quickly. I bought some accessories. Oh my god, look at that. Bonjour. Bonjour, Apple. What's that? I don't know. So yeah, anyways, I bought some accessories to go with it. So I bought, let me just move this over to the side because I'm going to have to set it up. So let me show you quickly the accessories that I got. So I bought this from Amazon. So it comes with this keyboard protector. So it comes with a keyboard protector, which is so pretty. Let's put that on. Hopefully I bought the right one. Right, so that fit. So that's the keyboard protector. Cool. And then I got a screen protector, and then the case looks like this, which I'm going to put on and then show you guys what it looks like. So let me just put on these protective stuff and then come back and show you what my MacBook looks like. Alright you guys, so I'm done setting up. I put on the protector case, so it looks like this, and it has the back portion that's clear, and I also put on the screen protector, which it's a mess. Sorry. It's, yeah, I'm gonna change that to a privacy screen. I don't like how it look. It had some bubbles in it and everything, but I tried. And then my keyboard case. So that's what my new Macbook Air M2 looks like. So you see. Alright, I'm going to go explore. I tried setting it up a bit. So as you guys can see, I'm on the home page and everything. So yeah, you guys, that's it. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.